Dear learners, good morning to everyone. Thank you very much for joining us in our platform Moodle at Lunis Ali University Blida 2. Today we're going to present our fourth lecture titled Data Science. So I have divided my fourth lecture into the following four elements as follows. What is data science? What are subsets of data science? Language activities, so how to use, receive the title of, and finally our assessment, quizzes, tests, and exams. So what is data science or what does data science mean? Data science can be explained as a science that deals with the identification, representation, and extraction of needful and meaningful information from a pool of data that are useful for the further growth of the business. Second element, subset of data science. The different subset of data science includes data analysts. It includes the analysis of data using various tools and technologies. It can be done using various programming languages. Second one, data architect. He performs the high-level strategies that include integrating, centralizing, streamlining, and protecting the data. He should have high authority over various plans and should have good knowledge of various tools like Hive, Pig, and Spark, etc. Last one, data engineer. He is supposed to work with a large amount of data where the logical, statistics, and programming languages club each other. The data engineer should have software background. Third element, language activities. How to use receive the title of. Receive the title of refers to accepting of a new title or designation, especially in a corporate company. The phrase receive the title of is very important to understand when using it to refer to moving up in a company. Here are a few sentences that help you in deciding on how you can use the phrase to in your daily life. For example, Attaf received the title of CDSO in his company. Amin received the title of Chief Actuary Officer in his business. Finally, Mustafa was very excited to receive the title of Web Developer in a new company at Diyarbakir. Finally, please learners, don't forget to take a look at your different types of assessment, quizzes, tests, and exams. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.